Stop overpaying for phones. I'm about to show you how to snag one on Temu. First, open the Temu app and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type phones in the search bar and tap the search icon. Alright, here's where things get interesting. You'll see a bunch of options. Be sure to filter results by price to stay within your budget. Tap on the filter or sort icon and select price low to high from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the listings and find a phone that catches your eye. Pay close attention to the price, the star rating, and the number of reviews. The more reviews, the better. Tap on the phone you like to view the full product details. Read the description carefully to make sure it meets your needs. Scroll down to see the customer reviews section. If everything looks good, tap on the Add to Cart button. Tap on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen to review your order. Double-check everything one last time, then tap Checkout. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping address and payment information. Confirm your order, and boom, you've just ordered a phone on Temu. Be sure to track your order to see when it will arrive.